Let's draw Hello Kitty holding a heart. I'm just starting out with the outline of Hello Kitty and her bow. Continue drawing Hello Kitty's head, and now I'm going to start on the heart, and I'm kind of cutting it into pieces, as you can see, because you want to make space for her little hands that are holding onto the heart. Next, I'm just doing her feet so that it looks like she's sitting down holding onto the heart, and now I'm just doing her eyes as little black ovals, a round oval for her nose, and her whiskers on each side of her face. I'm taking yellow for her nose, and I'm going to do pink on the heart and red for her bow. And there you have a super easy and cute Hello Kitty. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.